Alright, Frett Buzz here again. This time we're going to do a Jimmie Rodgers song called Waiting for a Train. All around the water change, waiting for a train. 1,000 miles from home, sleeping in the rain. I walked up to the brakeman to give him a line of talk. And he said, if you've got money, son, I'll see that you don't walk. I haven't got a nickel, not a penny can I show. He said, get off, the railroad bum, and it slammed the boxcar door. Well, he put me off in Texas, the land I dearly love. Wide open spaces all around me, the moon and stars above. Nobody seems to want me or lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, I'm going back to Dixieland. Though my pocketbook is empty, my heart is filled with pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home,